Welcome to this 5-minute tutorial on customizing headers for mobile devices in WordPress. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to adjust your header settings so that your website looks great on mobile devices. We will begin by accessing your WordPress account and then work our way through logging in, selecting your account, and navigating to the site editor to make the necessary adjustments. Begin your process by going directly to WordPress. When you arrive on the site, look towards the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Clicking this login button will initiate the sign-in process and set you on the right track to editing your website. To simplify the process, you will now use your Google account to log in. Once you click on Continue with Google, you will see a selection of your Google accounts. Choose the account that you wish to use for managing your WordPress site. This streamlined login process ensures that your credentials are securely passed through your Google account, making it both efficient and safe. After successfully logging in, your attention should shift to the Quick Links area on the dashboard. In this section, you will notice an option labeled Edit Site. By clicking on Edit Site, you signal your intention to start modifying the appearance and layout of your website. Soon after, you will see a list of your websites, and you need to click on the one you want to work on. This action opens the site editor where you have the full power to customize your website's look and feel. Now that you are in the website editor, it is time to prepare for mobile customization. At the top right corner of the screen, you will notice an icon that resembles a laptop. Clicking on this laptop icon will reveal various display options. From these options, select the mobile view. This switch is essential because it refreshes the preview window, showing exactly how your website will appear on a mobile device. Viewing the site in mobile mode gives you the opportunity to tailor adjustments so that they are both visually appealing and user-friendly on smaller screens. Once the mobile view is active, direct your focus to the header area of your website. Click directly on the header to activate editing features. The next step involves changing the padding of the header. Padding is the internal spacing that surrounds the content within the header, and by adjusting it you control how much space appears between the header contents and its borders. You can customize the padding to suit your design preferences and to ensure that the header looks balanced on mobile devices. Take the time to adjust this setting carefully. Changing the padding not only influences the aesthetic appeal of the header, but also improves the readability and overall user experience on mobile devices. Review your changes in the mobile view to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. This process provides you with the flexibility to fine-tune your design elements. With these clear and concise steps, you will be able to create a header that is optimized for mobile devices, ensuring that your visitors have the best possible experience on your WordPress website. Enjoy your new customized mobile header and the improved functionality it brings to your site.